Good evening, friends and viewers. Welcome back. As we all know, tomorrow is the Finnifty expiry. So now by tomorrow we will plan to take an upper side one call, that is 2,650, and at the downside we can go with the 20,350 put or else 20,400. Okay. Now the possibility is, see, it may open at 20,570 and it may reach to 20,650. By that, your call will become in the money. If it breaks to the 20,650 and if it reaches more than the 2,000, more than 2,000, 20,650, even if we think if it goes to 20,700 or 20,750, there are chances, okay, towards upside. And if it opens below 20,460 or something else, or else, even if it starts here itself, which is 20,500, and if it starts to move towards downside, it may go to the 20,400 or something else, 20,350 something else. Okay. So in that situation, we will take the call 20,650 call on the upper side, and the downward side we will take 20,400 or 20,350 put. Okay. So by this, even if it goes upper side, your call will appreciate, and even if it goes to the down towards downside, your put will appreciate. Okay. See, by observing that here, the Finnifty 20,350 is at 20 rupees, and the 20,650 call is, which is around 20 rupees, and your risk will be 40 rupees. Okay. So 40 rupees. That is, your total investment will be 800, 800, 1600 will be the your investment. Okay. So chances are, even if it goes above 20,650 and plus 100, your 20 rupees will become to the 100 or else 80 rupees. That will depend upon the expiry timing and everything. On either side, even if it goes on the downside or else upside, definitely you will be getting a profit, and it is only on expiry planning. Okay. So this is our plan to do. We are going to trade by tomorrow. The people who are new or else who knows already how to trade during expiries, they know. And the people who are new during expiries how to trade by hedging two side. One is the call and the put. Okay. So your risk will be only 1600, but your profit will be a little bit more than what you invested. Okay. So please check this and observe what it happens by tomorrow who are new, and the regular traders who do on expiry, they will be having good opportunity to trade. Okay. And if you like this video and whether this information is giving you a knowledge during expiry dates, please like and subscribe and hit bell icon. Thank you.